डॉक्टर सुजय कांटावाला की नई किताब द वर्डिक्ट का भव्य लॉन्च हाल ही में किया गया। ये उनकी चौथी नॉवेल है। इससे पहले उनकी तीनों नॉवेल्स भी काफी चर्चित और सराही जा चुकी हैं। डॉक्टर कांटावाला पेशे से एक एडवोकेट हैं, लेकिन लेखन उनका जुनून है। अपनी व्यस्त वकालत की जिंदगी के बीच भी उन्होंने लिखने का सिलसिला जारी रखा और पाठकों को एक से बढ़कर एक कहानियां दी। द वर्डिक्ट एक ऐसी कहानी है जो न्याय, सच और इंसाफ के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है। इस नॉवेल में कानून की दुनिया के कई पहलुओं को रोचक अंदाज में पेश किया गया है। लॉन्च कार्यक्रम के दौरान डॉक्टर कांटावाला ने बताया कि इस किताब की कहानी सिर्फ एक कोर्ट केस तक सीमित नहीं है, बल्कि यह समाज की सच्चाइयों और इंसानी भावनाओं को भी उजागर करती है। उन्होंने कहा कि उनका मकसद पाठकों को एक ऐसी कहानी देना है जो उन्हें सोचने पर मजबूर करे और साथ ही पूरी तरह से जोड़े रखे। कार्यक्रम में मौजूद मेहमानों ने भी किताब की तारीफ की और डॉक्टर कांटावाला को उनकी नई सफलता के लिए बधाई दी। एक बार फिर डॉक्टर सुजय कांटावाला ने साबित कर दिया है कि मेहनत और लगन से हर सपना पूरा किया जा सकता है।
Well, we were on a family holiday to Sikkim, and there is a beautiful hill station known as Pelling. Now, I have this habit of getting up early in the morning, going for walks. So then you take a forest trail, and then after some time, when you go, you will see a tea stall guy with all oldies from the village who love to gossip. There's a lot of mist around because there's mountains, lot of trees, beautiful. There, some oldies were sitting and having chai. So I gave him a 10 rupees extra and I took a cutting. And then I said, चाचा कुछ बताओ यार, क्या है इसके बारे में, about these mountains and कुछ. तो बोला, this is a evil thing, this is the good thing, ये देवी होती है, ये देवता होता है, this kind of things. On that side, I saw the poster of a young innocent face and the word was missing. So it kind of intrigued me because I also have a daughter. So young girl, I said, चाचा ये छोकरी की कहानी क्या है? तो बोला, साहब ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं कि तेंदुआ लेके चला गया. तेंदुआ is the leopard. I said, no way. Leopard has so much natural prey in this forest over here. Why should he go for a human being? And that kind of started thinking, I started thinking. The seed of the story was planted at that time in my mind. There is something that is wrong here. This is not possible. This is absolutely not possible. Then I thought, हमारे कंट्री में इतनी लड़कियां हैं, so many women who never get justice, who die, who are killed. Let's write a book on that. Let's write a book on the fight of a man who is now retired from being a judge. And he is appointed under the Commission of Inquiry Act. And he takes upon the whole city. He takes upon the underworld, the political nexus, the gundas. One man's fight. But he wanted to bring justice to someone who could never pay him back. That is a real justice for somebody who can never repay you back. That is the way I was inspired to write this book.
So Aishwarya and I had agreed that she would say 50% of what she said and I would say the other 50%. So I will come up with a new 50%. I'm really proud of my father. He has always been a very creative person. He's been a phenomenal lawyer and a best friend when I've needed one. But this book, let me tell you guys, make your own interpretation of it. It's insane. It's amazing. It's a really good book. And I'm not saying that because he's my father. I'm genuinely telling you as a reader. And enjoy yourselves today. Thank you for showing up. And I really appreciate everything. Thank you.
I also think we should give a round of applause to my mother. Yes, without whom this was not possible. It is very difficult